Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to show you how to instantly generate YouTube titles using AI. This is perfect if you struggle with coming ideas or want to save hours brainstorming, so let's just jump right in. So there are a bunch of AI tools you can use for that. For example, ChatGPT, Copy.ai, Brightsonic, Jasper AI, like many of them. So you can use any one of them. For example, I would like to use ChatGPT. You can also go ahead and use one of them. And once you go to ChatGPT, you can just go over and before generating titles, think about your video topic. For example, if it is how to fix slow internet on Windows or easy weight loss tips at home. So you can also write a short script because AI can generate better titles if you know what your video is about. So here you can just go over and type in something. So if you have a video about something topic, so you can just go and type in. So for example, I have a YouTube video about SEO friendly items. So you can just go over and do so. And you can type in, give me 5 examples for the title. For the titles. And hit enter. Once you do, AI should already give you multiple title options instantly. So there are some of the titles available on my screen right now. Here you can just go and review the AI generated titles and pick the ones that you like. You can look out for, if you want short and clear, you can look out for the short and clear one. If you want attention seeking with powerful words, you can use those one. Something like boosting your views, something like this. You can also tweak them slightly to make them more personal or unique. You just need to type in some prompts here and ask them to add some tips. For example, add curiosity. So I would like the audience to have some curiosity. So you can hit enter and give them the filter. And then the AI should instantly give you the title that you're looking for. That will help you make your videos get more clicks and views. And that's it. Using AI to generate YouTube titles is super easy and a very huge time saver. So you can follow up this process. If it was helpful, like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more AI and YouTube tips. And see you in next one.